Configure, design, and sell custom products in record time with DriveWorks CPQ for manufacturing. Create your own configure, price quote solution powered by DriveWorks rules-based automation. Automate the creation of all the data you need to sell, design, and manufacture custom products, from simple parts to complex systems. Save time throughout your organization. Reduce errors and time-consuming rework. Sell more and respond quickly. Rules-based guided selling enables sales teams, distributors, and customers to configure custom quotes and visualize selections in interactive 3D on any device. As changes are made and options selected, the price updates in real time. Use your company-specific rules and data to control currencies, discounts, and more. Sales data and quotes are generated automatically. In your customizable workflow, notifications can be sent, approvals requested, and further downstream documents created. You might also decide to automatically send the quote directly to the customer, so they have all the information they need to place the order straight away. In the background, DriveWorks automatically creates the order-specific manufacturing data needed, including 3D parts, assemblies, drawings, bills of material, and much more. Integration between DriveWorks and other company systems ensures that the data can be linked to your ERP and CRM systems. As part of your workflow, the data can also go through a final review before being sent to the shop floor. Throughout the entire process, DriveWorks keeps everyone up to date with alerts, notifications, email, reports, and more. Deliver configured products in record time and exceed customer expectations.